Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be showing you recipe number 2 to my Thanksgiving edition. So let's get started. Alright, so you're going to need a whole half of a salmon fillet. This salmon fillet was about $17 or $18. It's about 2.5 pounds. It's pretty big. You're also going to need some bacon. You're going to need some brown sugar, spicy girl, and some butter. And also a little bit of bacon fat. In this little ramekin, I already have brown sugar in there. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of my spicy girl. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. You want to mix that up really, really well, as this is going to be the marinade for the salmon. Next, you want to add your bacon down in here. Not all of it, maybe 70% of it. You want to add that bacon right down in there. When it's time for you to put it on the fish, it's going to look clumpy, but it's not clumps. It's actually like the dust of spicy girl around the pieces of bacon. So it's going to look like, you know, crumbs, but it's really not. This butter was just super, super soft. It was room temperature sitting on my counter, so that's why it's so easy to spread. Make sure your salmon is washed and dried and clean. This is my bacon fat right here. I just put a little couple sprigs, brushed it a little bit, just to take home the bacon flavor. Next, you want to put your little seasoning mix right down onto your salmon. This looks so good already. You want to pop this into a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes, and your salmon is going to be perfect. Oh my god, you guys, when I took this salmon out of the oven, the first thing that hit me was, holy crap. Like, I didn't expect it to look this good, you know? And I'm just thinking to myself, what did I just do? But y'all, it smells so good. The salmon was amazing, delicious, moist, and perfectly cooked. And I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.